everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a POV out in Big Bear. I'm gonna meet one of my girlfriends out here for lunch, so I decided, you know what, let me make a video for you guys because I've been getting a lot of positive feedback about the POVs. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and do one going up the mountains. Now the best part about Big Bear Mountain is there's actually a lake up there, so I'm super excited to kind of cruise around there, and I hope you guys don't mind the cars driving by. I can't help it, so let's go ahead and head on up there. But I wanted to show you guys this incredible view. Finally calm down. Let's head on up there and see what else we can find. Hopefully no more cops because I ran into two already. So also it is fairly warm up here. So let's get the car started. I'm never gonna get tired of that sound. All right, so let me prop you guys up there on the mount real quick. So one of the things that I have to keep mindful coming up the mountain is actually my temperature, because it's obviously gonna be a bit of an incline and it is pretty warm out today. So I just wanna make sure that she doesn't overheat. I never had any issues before, but that's just something that I like to be mindful whenever, regardless if I'm driving the Hellcat or any other car, you know, just to kind of take care of the car. I don't want to push it too much. And there is, my ears are popping. There is a little bit of traffic today because it is the weekend, but it should be super exciting today because I haven't been up here in a hot minute. And I'm just so excited to see my friend. Now, she is camera shy, so I don't think I'm gonna be filming too much of her. But at least you guys get to enjoy the ride with me. And honestly, I just think that the views, just even driving up here, is so worth it. I think it takes about an average like an hour. I think that's without traffic, from the bottom of the mountain to get up to where the village is at in Big Bear. So that's a pretty decent drive in my opinion. Anybody else walk away from their baby and do a silent little prayer, because I'm always scared to leave her somewhere where I can't see. And let me tell you guys, it is packed today, so I have to do a little bit of walking to the restaurant. So pray with me, you guys, or else this is going to be a very interesting video. And let me tell you, I slightly prefer uneventful days sometimes. You know how like 2 seconds ago I just finished saying sometimes I like uneventful days? Well, I just stumbled upon a car show. Look, you guys. Oh my god, those are so nice. I think it was definitely a sign for me to be up here today. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. I want to check this out for a second. What? That's so cool. Just finished having lunch with my friend. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I checked the car on the app, the location, every 8 minutes, because that's how paranoid I am. So instead of walking around too much, I decided I'm just gonna go check out the car to make sure my baby's okay. And I'm sorry I didn't film as much. It's just that she's camera shy, so I didn't want to like bring out the camera and like accidentally catch her or something. So yeah, so let's go check on the baby. Back in the car where it's nice and fresh. I want to drive around the lake like I was telling you guys earlier. I also did put the GoPro on the hood there, so that should be good. And I also did want to try a little bit of a different POV. I wanted to try and hold the GoPro on the stand. So let's see how that turns out. Let me know if you guys like that, or if you guys prefer having the GoPro on my head before, or if you guys liked it more stationary, which is, this is like kind of the angle that I would typically have it. But let's go sightseeing and see what we find today. So a lot of the cars already left the car show, so I'm hoping to catch some of them out in the wild. Wow. Oh, look at that hot rod. What? I'm jealous. Honestly, I'm pretty happy that I came around this way. Ooh, somebody did a burnout over there. I think it was him. I think it was definitely him. I really want to get a cabin up in Big Bear because I always like dreamt of having like Christmas in a cabin up in the mountains and like being snowed in. You have nowhere to go but just stay inside. And there's a couple more cars coming here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm jealous. And yeah, that's always been one of my dreams, to have a Christmas up in a cabin. So I would love to one day have like my own cabin, even if I like eventually do like an Airbnb or something, but like at least have a cabin so I can do so I can spend Christmas there. I think that would be really nice and so like magical. When I was driving up, the car in front of me out of nowhere stopped, and I was like, why did he stop? And then I saw something brown pass by, and I was like, what is that big and fluffy? I thought it was like a dog at first. No, you want to know what it was? It was a mama bear and her two little black cubs following her, and they were going up the mountain, and it was the cutest thing I've ever seen. Because, and I say cute because I was inside the car. That was actually my first time seeing bears coming up the mountain. I've never seen any bears up here, which is honestly a good thing because I heard that they can be aggressive, especially the mama bears around her babies, which is completely understandable. But from a distance, her babies were really cute. So I pulled off to the side of the road so I can mount this GoPro on here because I need two hands when driving down the mountain. And I'm super excited to look at the view from this perspective. Honestly, this view does not get old. It's so green, it's so beautiful and so luscious. The trees are nice and big too. It's so nice. And I love having like the greenery behind Rubí whenever I do reels because it makes the red stand out so much. It makes it look even more beautiful than it already is. And nothing like the fresh air up here. Coming out to nature always makes me want to reflect, and the fact that I can disconnect from my phone even just for an hour or two is honestly worth it. So I had so much fun driving up and now going down the mountain. I hope you guys got to enjoy the different POVs. It might be a little chaotic, I'm not gonna lie. Because the only way for me to get better is if I keep trying a few different things. So let me know what you guys liked or didn't like, and I can kind of improve on that as well. So that way I can keep making better POV videos for you guys. And I hit a little bit of traffic here, and I'm almost down, or should I say out of the mountains already. So I think this is going to be a great point for me to thank you guys for watching. Again, leave me your feedback down below, what you like, what you want to see me kind of improve on. If you guys have any video suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below. I love to chat with you guys. I love seeing you guys come back when I see you guys comment from another video, and then I get to start recognizing you guys. So I love that. So please feel free to chat with me in the comment section. I'll make sure to get back to you guys. Also behave, okay? Because sometimes I see a few of you down there. So all I'm saying is behave, okay? So I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Drive safe. All right, bye.